Hi everybody, it's Jake Johnson here from Jake Showcase. Okay, today I got something special for you. That's right. Well, you see, now I'm in Canada, and in Canada it's cold a long time. So, how do Canadian people train for summer sports? Because they can't go outside too much. Well, today I'm going to show you the Canadian way, the Canadian training way. Okay, so over here I got my thing here. I got to show you. And this is how we train. This is how we train for the sport mountain biking. Mountain biking in Canada. All right. It's how you train all throughout the year. Never miss a beat. All right. Let's go. So what I do here, what we got to do here, is got to be creative. You see, you can't just sit on your laurels. No, because you got to train, right? You got to get strong. Okay. So you see what I do here is I get my mountain bike, right? And then I just hang her up here to my bar, okay, and we secure it with the chain, right? So now what that's going to do is that's going to let me pedal and practice during the time. Now I have to tell you, we're just going to do it here one time here, and we're going to show you how it's done, right? All right, eh? All right, give it a try. Okay, so now I'm going to get my chair here. All right. Okay, actually I'm going to get the chair on the other side, I think. Okay, I gotta be careful. Because you see, it's only on this one little wire. Okay. Alright. And we're going to come up here. Right? Okay, this is the way to do it. Right? And then you move her to the middle. Right? I mean, just make sure you can feel it good here. Make sure we got her nice and tight. Alright. And then we get onto the bar, kind of like this, right? You see? See how it works now? Oh, there she goes. Oh, so it's kind of dangerous, eh? You gotta be real careful in Canada, because you never know, you know? And then you gotta kind of get up under the bar, just like this. And now you can practice your training, eh? Okay, see now this is kind of hard here, but this is how we do it, eh? Mountain bike in Canada. Check us out, eh? Hey, thanks for watching. You have a wonderful day now.